Struggling with stubborn belly fat? Looking for a simple and easy way to tackle it? My Simple Remedies have got the perfect solution. A magical fat-burning workout to help you get a flatter tummy in less than 14 days. Join me on this exciting journey as I will reveal how easy it is to cut down all your body fat and say goodbye to belly bloat and hello to a slimmer, more confident look. Subscribe to My Simple Remedies for healthier, fat-burning tips that make weight loss enjoyable. Let's kick off your transformation with the first exercise and start melting that belly fat. Exercise number 1. We basically need to warm up our body to get started. So I'm doing 3 sets of this exercise and 10 repetitions in each set. And after completing one set, we can take maximum 30 seconds break, and after that, start our next set. And we have to complete 3 sets in total with 10 repetitions each set. Believe me, you would lose 7 kilos in just 7 days without a strict diet. Also, drink lemon tea while following this because lemon boosts the fat-burning rate in your body, helping you achieve your goals faster. And it aids in digestion and detoxification too. Exercise No. 2. It's very effective to cut down your entire body fat. Remember, I am doing 3 sets for every exercise and 10 repetition each set for all. I suggest you to eat apple as snack while following my exercise routine as they're low in calories but high in fiber. They also contain antioxidants that speed up fat burning and help you shed those extra pounds. Exercise No. 3. It could be difficult if you're bulky or have belly fat, but still you can try because it's very, very effective and melts the belly fat really quick. I am sharing all the exercises which are 100% effective and works best with my own experience. Same 3 sets and 10 repetitions for this exercise too. Suppose if you're unable to do this, then I'm sharing 1 second variation of the same exercise. You would only follow this second one. If you're unable to do the first one, but if you can do the first one, then it's much more effective. So the only difference is we are using our hands to touch our knees in the first one, but in the second one, we would use our elbows to touch knees. Remember to drink 1 cup of any weight loss tea, which has lemon, every morning before breakfast to start your day off right. If you're aiming to lose weight faster, drink 2 cups a day, 1 before breakfast and 1 before dinner. For the best results, continue drinking it every day for at least 15 days with your exercise routine. And watch the pounds melt away. Exercise No. 4. This one is my favorite because it also targets legs. As you can see, I am also doing a middle squat, but if you feel it's difficult, like I know for beginners doing squats is something very difficult, so I'm giving you a margin here to skip only squat and follow the rest as it is. The sets and repetitions are same as before. My bunnies, don't worry about results, cause you'll see amazing results in just 7 days, with a flatter stomach and a more sculpted body. Keep exercising daily and stay motivated as your body transforms. Less oil and no sugar diet is also recommended to enhance your results even further. Exercise No. 5. Now this requires some practice for perfection, but don't worry because no one's going to judge you, so you just have to follow me in your own comfort and style. Obviously, the only thing I require from your side is daily motivation. Please follow this routine for at least 15 days to see drastic change in your body. You can also have black coffee, as coffee reduces hunger and cravings, perfect for weight loss. If you're on diabetes medication, skip the coffee, please. Exercise No. 6. This one is easy to follow. Even beginners can also do this, and this would also help them to do perfect squats. Don't worry about doing everything perfectly, because once you will start, you are going to improve every day, and I promise with practice, you would even do better than me. You'll be losing up to 7 kilograms without a strict diet in just 1 week, and every passing day would bring a noticeable change in your body, which would motivate you every day. Exercise No. 7. This one targets the belly fat directly. Please be gentle while doing this exercise. Slow and steady wins the race. See only 7 exercises, and you would lose all the excess body fat you have. It won't take more than 40 minutes to complete these exercises, and once you get used to these, you would also complete them in 30 minutes or so like me. Please stick to this daily for next 15 days and watch the transformation unfold. You'll notice a dramatic reduction in your belly fat. It's time to embrace a slimmer, healthier version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, my cuties, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips and remedies.